This is a very quick and easy low carb recipe for those of you who are interested in low carb. We are just going to jump right into this. You are going to start off with 3 cups of chicken, and that can be a rotisserie chicken if you would like, but I just had some shredded chicken already made up. Then you will need 1 small 7-ounce can of salsa verde, if I'm saying that correctly. We're going to add that to this chicken. Add 1 4-ounce can of green chilies. Add 1 package of taco seasoning mix. Add 2/3 cup of cottage cheese. Trust me, cottage cheese. It's good. It's good in this. My husband doesn't even like cottage cheese, but he loves this recipe. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to give this a mix. Oil down an 8x11 baking dish. And we are going to drop that mixture right into that baking dish. Spread the mixture out evenly. Then we are going to top this with some Monterey Jack cheese. And I used about 1.5 cups of Monterey Jack cheese on this. Put this in the oven that's preheated for 375 degrees for 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, voila, this is ready to serve. And what we like to do with this is put it on our low carb tortillas. This is so quick, so easy, and it was absolutely delicious.